Have you ever considered why certain men are more than just attracted to older women? It's not only about their appearance or size. There is more going on. When males become obsessed with older women, they gain mental fulfillment that they do not receive from other sources very often. You will discover exactly what those needs are today. If you're an older woman or want to know what makes older women so mentally appealing, stick with me. Male viewers are drawn to older women for 6 primary reasons, as explained in this film. Insights and case studies based on genuine research will be provided to demonstrate that this is not just a stereotype. Many men have an emotional void. This is a fact. Before we go into the 6 emotional demands, let's address a frequent issue that many men face: emotional unhappiness. According to studies, including one conducted by psychologist Dr. John Gottman, many men struggle to establish emotional connections in their relationships. They frequently feel overlooked, underappreciated, or misunderstood. This emotional divide causes rage and, on occasion, separation in partnerships. Younger women may be unable to handle this because they are still learning how to manage their emotions, or because they have other priorities at that age. Older women, on the other hand, frequently address these unfulfilled emotional demands. That's why males are drawn to older women almost automatically. It is a mental magnetic pull. Why? This emotional distance creates complications in relationships. Men's emotional demands are not often understood or openly discussed. In many cultures, men are conditioned to hide vulnerability, resulting in unfulfilled demands that accumulate silently. When men's wants are not addressed, their relationships suffer. Consider a man who is constantly on edge emotionally, or who is unable to express himself without fear of being judged. He gradually becomes reclusive, irritated, or concerned with finding someone who understands him. That preoccupation frequently falls on older women, since they tend to give exactly what is missing. According to research published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships, emotional support and understanding are critical components of relationship happiness. When these are lacking, males hunt for them elsewhere, frequently with older women who naturally possess these characteristics. Let's look at the 6 emotional demands men have and how older women can meet them, supported by facts and real-world experiences. Number 1. The need for mental security. Older women provide mental security due to their increased life experience and emotional maturity. According to a 2019 Psychology Today study, men report feeling more comfortable expressing vulnerability with older women than with younger partners. Older women are less reactive and more steady, giving males the confidence to open up. This emotional security fosters a strong bond, because males no longer have to hide their emotions or act tough. In a men's health interview series from 2022, several men stated that their relationships with older women allowed them to finally communicate about their concerns and vulnerabilities without being judged, which they had never done before. Number 2. The need for respect and gratitude. Respect is a strong emotional demand that men have. Older women frequently convey a sense of shared respect that males find refreshing. According to a 2017 study conducted by the American Psychological Association, males feel more respected and appreciated in relationships with older women, most likely because these women openly appreciate the man's experiences and accomplishments. Younger women may prioritize different factors such as social status or looks, whereas older women tend to value character, effort, and progress, which is more aligned with what men desire to be regarded for. One man featured by The Guardian noted that dating an older woman made him feel truly noticed and valued for who he was, regardless of his achievements or appearance. By the way, if this resonates with you and you've ever wondered, Why did he pull away when things were just getting good? We created something specifically for you. It's called the 7-step male mind decoder, and it explains exactly what's going on in his thoughts, even when he doesn't say anything. You'll learn to read the signs, recognize genuine commitment, and stop second-guessing yourself. The download link is in the text, and sure, it is free. Number 3. The need for cerebral stimulation. Men have an emotional desire to be cognitively connected to their partners. Because of their life experiences, older women frequently provide a more nuanced perspective to discussions, making them more relevant. This intellectual link facilitates a stronger emotional bond. Research in evolutionary psychology indicates that intellectual compatibility increases relationship pleasure and emotional connection. Older women are more likely to engage in mature talks, provide insights, and intellectually challenge men than younger spouses. According to a Match.com survey, males expressed increased pleasure when dating older women who could hold long conversations and openly share life issues. Number 4. The need for independence and space. Many men feel stifled in relationships that are overly demanding or emotionally controlling. Older women have more established lives, professions, and acquaintances, so they naturally respect personal space. According to a 2020 study published in Psychology Today, men felt less pressurized and more free to be themselves in relationships with older women, resulting in decreased emotional stress and healthier attachment. One man on Reddit explained that his obsession with his older spouse stemmed from the freedom she provided him, allowing him to explore hobbies and friendships without guilt. Number 5. The need for emotional support without drama. Older women typically experience less emotional turmoil and more emotional stability. They've generally overcome numerous life problems and understand how to control emotions gently. This sense of serenity is exactly what men seek emotionally. According to Harvard Health Publishing, emotional regulation abilities increase with age, so older women provide more consistent emotional support. According to a study published in the Journal of Adult Development, older persons typically have better emotional regulation and fewer impulsive emotional reactions, resulting in more stable relationships. Number 6. The need for genuine affection and caring. Men require affection that is genuine and continuous. Older women are more likely to provide mature, real care, including both physical and emotional care. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of Social Psychology, men reported feeling more sincerely cared for by older women, resulting in an emotional attachment bordering on obsession. In a podcast chat, a man stated that his elder partner's steady, compassionate love repaired emotional wounds from previous relationships. Why do males get emotionally fascinated with older women? Emotional stability allows men to open up safely. Respect and admiration boost their self-esteem. Intellectual stimulation keeps their minds active. Independence reduces strain and fosters trust. Emotional support without drama promotes serenity. Genuine love heals and binds profoundly. The significance of life experience and trust. Life experience and confidence, which come with age, are not merely appealing qualities. They directly meet emotional demands. Older women are more self-aware, resulting in more honest and satisfying relationships. According to research, confidence in communicating and mental self-awareness enhance connection. Men catch up on this and are drawn to older women who exhibit these characteristics organically. Understanding these emotional demands might help older women appreciate their power in relationships. You are attracting guys not only because of your looks or maturity, but also because you provide essential emotional requirements that they may have struggled to obtain elsewhere. So, you have his attention, Things are going well, maybe even thrilling. But here's the true issue. How can you ensure that he remains fully invested, not just in the beginning, but for the long term? Here's the issue that most women face. Early interest fades. He goes from texting every day to pulling back. It leaves you wondering if you've done something wrong. Not generally. Emotional investment often diminishes because the emotional bond was not strengthened over time, rather than because of a single mistake. According to a 2018 Journal of Personality and Social Psychology study, males remain emotionally engaged when they feel constantly understood, valued, and supported. It is not about large actions. It's about the mental foundation you build over time. What happens when these demands are unmet? When males cease feeling emotionally safe, listened to, or appreciated, they gradually disconnect. It's subtle. Fewer calls, shorter responses, and less effort. The Gottman Institute's case study revealed that emotional retreat is one of the first symptoms of future marital failures, particularly when minor emotional requirements are ignored. What is the good news? These tendencies can be broken if you focus on the appropriate behaviors. Keep him emotionally invested by doing the following 5 things on a regular basis. Number 1. Show interest in his inner world. Ask him about his day, not out of habit, but with genuine interest. Men are more willing to open up when they believe someone is actually interested in their thoughts, not simply their actions. In a 10-year study of couples, Dr. Terry Orbuch discovered that asking open-ended questions on a frequent basis increased emotional connection. Number 2. Show respect for his room. Men require emotional connection as well as mental space. Do not put pressure on him to open up immediately or spend all of his time with you. The attachment theory model demonstrates that deeply attached males prefer autonomy as much as proximity. Pushing too hard typically results in emotional distance. Number 3. Provide continual assistance, not just when things go wrong. Celebrate minor victories. Encourage his efforts. Don't wait until a disaster to show your support. According to a man in a 2020 Psychology Today relationship panel, the moment I realized she was in my corner, even when things were going fine, I got more invested. Number 4. Communicate your desires clearly and without blaming. Emotional bonds are two-way streets. If something is wrong, express it directly without playing games. Men respond better to plain words than emotional guessing games. According to Dr. John Gottman's research, couples that engage in gentle starting conversations are less defensive and mentally closer together. Number 5. Establish shared routines. Even something as simple as going for a stroll every Sunday or listening to a shared playlist might help maintain emotional presence. A 2016 University of California, Los Angeles study on marital bonding discovered that couples with tiny shared routines remained emotionally aligned for extended lengths of time. If you found this film useful, please like and share it with someone else. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical relationship advice based on real science. Also, please write about what emotional needs you found most significant in your relationships.